Struggling with acne? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people deal with acne-prone skin, but the good news is that there are plenty of home remedies and simple tricks you can try without spending a fortune on expensive skincare products. In this video, we'll delve into 15 tips that can help you achieve clear, radiant skin without going over budget. Welcome to Stella Beauty Channel, your go-to destination for everything beauty, skincare, and lifestyle related. Here we delve into the world of beauty, offering tips, tricks, and insights to help you look and feel your best. Whether you're a skincare enthusiast, a makeup lover, or simply looking for inspiration, you've come to the right place. Today's episode focuses on achieving clear, radiant skin without going over budget. We'll be sharing some insider secrets and DIY remedies for getting rid of acne without spending a fortune. Let's dive in. Number 1. Prioritize moisturizing. Don't fall into the trap of drying out your skin to get rid of acne. Moisturizing is key, even for acne-prone skin. Skipping moisturizer can lead to excess oil production, which can worsen breakouts. Make sure to moisturize your skin daily to keep it hydrated and balanced. Number 2. Cleanse with cold water. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Instead, wash your face with cold water to reduce inflammation, tighten your pores, and boost circulation. Cold water can help keep your skin looking healthy and clear. Number 3. DIY banana peel treatment. Banana peels are rich in antioxidants and have natural antiseptic properties, making them great for preventing acne. Simply rub the inside of a banana peel on your face for a few minutes, then rinse it off. This DIY treatment can help reduce excess oil production and prevent future breakouts. Number 4. Avoid harsh ingredients. Many skincare products contain harsh ingredients that can irritate the skin and worsen acne. Look for products that are alcohol-free and non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog your pores. Avoid ingredients like alcohol, oxybenzone, parabens, and fragrances, which can trigger breakouts. Number 5. Utilize the power of rice water. For centuries, people have been using rice water as a skincare remedy due to its soothing and exfoliating properties. To make your own rice water, soak uncooked rice in water for 30 minutes or ferment it for 48 hours. You can use it as a toner or a gentle cleanser to maintain clear and glowing skin. Number 6. Practice stress management. Stress can exacerbate acne by increasing oil production in the skin. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, and gratitude to help keep your skin clear and healthy. Remember to prioritize self-care and take time for yourself, especially during stressful periods. Number 7. Keep your hands off your face. Touching your face can transfer dirt, oil, and bacteria from your hands to your skin, leading to breakouts. Avoid touching your face throughout the day, and be mindful of where you rest your hands. Keeping your hands clean and away from your face can help prevent acne. Number 8. Use silk pillowcases. Cotton pillowcases can absorb oil and bacteria from your skin, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. Switch to silk pillowcases, which are gentler on the skin and less likely to cause irritation. Silk pillowcases can also help reduce friction and prevent hair breakage while you sleep. Number 9. Clear your phone screen. Your phone screen can accumulate dirt, oil, and bacteria throughout the day, especially if you're constantly touching it with your hands. Wipe down your phone screen regularly with a clean cloth or disinfecting wipe to remove any buildup. This can help prevent acne and keep your skin clear. Number 10. Wash your makeup brushes. Dirty makeup brushes can harbor bacteria and oil, which can transfer to your skin and cause breakouts. Wash your makeup brushes regularly with gentle soap and water to keep them clean and free of bacteria. This simple habit can help prevent acne and keep your skin clear. Number 11. Use a natural exfoliating mask. Exfoliating masks can help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and prevent breakouts. Make your own exfoliating mask at home using ingredients like yogurt, aloe vera, coconut oil, and almond meal. Apply the mask to your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. This DIY treatment can help keep your skin clear and glowing. Number 12. Try facial steaming. Facial steaming can help open up your pores and loosen dirt, oil, and bacteria trapped within them. At home, you can steam your face with boiling water. Then drape a towel over your head and place your face over the steam. Steaming your face regularly can help prevent breakouts and keep your skin clear. Number 13. Drink lemon water. Lemon water is a natural detoxifier that can help flush toxins from your body and clear your skin from the inside out. Start your day with a glass of lemon water to kickstart your metabolism and promote clear, radiant skin. You can also drink lemon water throughout the day to stay hydrated and refreshed. Number 14. Apply a cold compress to pimples. Applying a cold compress to pimples can help reduce inflammation, redness, and swelling. Simply wrap an ice cube or a few ice cubes in a clean cloth or paper towel and apply it to the affected area for 1 minute. This can help shrink pimples and soothe irritated skin without causing damage. Number 15. Keep your skincare routine simple. When it comes to skincare, less is often more. Stick to a simple skincare routine with minimal products to avoid overloading your skin with unnecessary ingredients. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin with sunscreen. Avoid using too many products that could irritate or clog your pores. Achieving clear, healthy skin doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With these 15 tips and tricks, you can take care of your skin at home without spending a fortune. Remember to be patient and consistent with your skincare routine, and you'll be on your way to clear, radiant skin in no time. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of the Stella Beauty Channel. We hope you found our tips and tricks for achieving clear, radiant skin helpful. Remember, taking care of your skin doesn't have to be expensive, and with a little knowledge and creativity, you can achieve amazing results right at home. Don't forget to check out our website at stellabeautystore.com for a curated selection of skincare products and beauty essentials. Whether you're on a budget or ready to invest in your skincare routine, we've got you covered. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more beauty and skincare content, and we'll see you in the next episode.